Well, good morning, everyone. 48 First Alert meteorologist Chelsea Aaron here to talk through the rest of your work and school week forecast and also your Easter weekend. I can't believe Easter is almost here and we're almost to Friday. Beautiful weather out there other than some added cloud cover today. Going to be another gorgeous spring day across the Tennessee Valley and expect temperatures to warm close to 80 degrees. We're going to keep the above April warmth through the rest of the weekend, likely into your upcoming weekend. Live look at the shoals there where we do have a mix of sun and clouds despite the added cloud cover. We're not going to be tracking any rain throughout the rest of this week, but low to medium rain chances will return over your Easter weekend. Thankfully, most of this rain is trending later and later Sunday evening, overnight, early on Monday. So I think everyone is going to be able to enjoy all of their outdoor Easter activities, including your Easter egg hunt. So this is going to be good news, but it will be warm and with humidity increasing as well. Note your sweat cast factor is going to be quite rough for some. This is a little preview or taste of summer, and temperatures will stay above normal as we head throughout the rest of the month likely. Again, not tracking much activity out there today, especially in our area. Live look at the shoals where some clouds are streaming in, and this is basically due to a stalled frontal boundary to our north and west. This is where the focus for showers and storms will remain across portions of the plains, through portions of Nebraska and also Iowa. They could see some severe weather today. Thankfully, no severe weather for us through the rest of the week and into your Easter weekend. Can't rule out the threat of locally strong storms, though, as the cold front nears closer by Monday. Main impacts with those likely going to be heavy rainfall, brief gusty winds, frequent lightning. Of course, if that should change, we'll be the first to let you know. We will stay rain-free throughout the day here in Huntsville. A ridge of high pressure will continue to build over the area, the deep south, through the end of the week. And basically what that's going to do for us, that's going to jump up our temperatures and also bring in moist air. This is where the humidity levels will start to rise. Current temperatures, upper 60s, a lower 70s across the region. Winds back out of the south and east, and they will be a bit more breezy today with occasional gusts as high as 10-15 miles per hour. Winds become the breeziest come Friday. Occasional gusts likely as high as 20 and 25 miles per hour, but winds should gradually settle down into the weekend. Your afternoon planner looking a lovely mix of sun and clouds, temperatures near 80 degrees. And we will see a few clouds push in overnight, and with the increasing moisture levels, this is going to keep us warmer through Friday morning with temperatures close to 60 degrees, especially if you live out in the shoals. Florence, Russellville, Phil Campbell, you'll likely range upper 50s, lower 60s. Areas out to the east, especially where there is less cloud cover, temperatures could be cooler, potentially lower and middle 50s. So areas to the east, you might need a light jacket before you head out the door on Friday. Areas to the west, I highly doubt it, and especially by the late afternoon, you're not going to need a jacket at all. Lower and middle 80s in the cards for our Friday. Nice warm into the week. It also will be breezy. Temperatures stay in the 80s through your Easter weekend, but an unsettled weather pattern will start to unfold late Easter Sunday into Monday with additional rounds for showers and storms through the middle of the week. Basically, what's going to happen is zonal flow will set up through next week, and that will allow the trailing cold front to basically create more chances for showers and storms at least Tuesday and into Wednesday, but it's not going to rain everywhere all day. Please note that it's not going to be a complete washout, but where you see rain could be heavy at times, and especially on Monday, we will be closely monitoring the potential for some locally strong thunderstorms. So taking you out hour by hour, an area of low pressure will start to approach the region. Come Sunday, we will see more clouds than sunshine shearing off this low pressure system, but still dry. Temperatures are very warm in the morning for your sunrise services. likely in the 60s. And despite the cloud cover, we're still going to warm well into the 80s due to what we call southerly flow. Still dry through the afternoon. And with added cloud cover, I think your Easter pictures are going to be lovely. Sometimes clouds makes for better pictures than sunshine, believe it or not. And we live in the South. Easter dresses, I remember picking out my Easter Sunday dress. It's basically the Oscars of the South. You want to look your best, especially on Easter Sunday. So yes, the weather looking nice, just more clouds than sunshine. And rain will start to increase from the north and west by the late evening hours. This latest model guidance doesn't even have rain moving in until after midnight. So we could stay completely dry for your Easter Sunday, with scattered showers and storms through your early morning commute Monday. And rain will likely linger through Monday afternoon and into the evening. This is the same time frame where we could see, again, a few more organized storms, but there is not really an organized threat for severe weather at this time. And note, as we head farther into April and May, typically the threat for severe weather shifts off to our north and west across portions of the southern plains and into Texas. That's just what latest guidance and climatological probabilities are indicating, which is good. But with any system this time of year, we're going to watch it carefully. Note, all eyes will be on the weather, especially during one of the bigger weekends of the spring. So brief gusty winds possible with some of these storms, heavy downpours, frequent lightning. But rain will gradually start to taper off through the evening. Might not completely be gone Monday evening. And temperatures on Monday still going to be close to 80 degrees, even despite the rainfall. And again, lingering rain chances are likely through Wednesday. Our models are not quite in agreement in terms of when the rain actually moves out. Are we going to see the rain extend through the end of next week on Friday? Or will they end by Wednesday with drier weather Thursday and into Friday? And of course, that's nearly a week out, so expected. Models really not going to have their act together just yet. But we will continue to fine-tune details in the forecast so you have the very latest information. Overall, good soaking rainfall expected late Easter Sunday and through next week. Some locations very well could pick up 1 to even 3 inches of rainfall. You see Huntsville, just over 2.5 inches. And much of the state going to pick up some hefty rain totals. Montgomery, over 2.5 inches as well. And Birmingham will be close to 3 inches. So just to recap on your 7 to 10 day forecast, mix of sun and clouds, partly cloudy through the afternoon today. Winds picking back up out of the south-southeast, and this will increase humidity levels. We'll start to feel more like summer as we round out your week on Friday and into your Easter weekend. Temperatures soaring into the lower and middle 80s. We are going to be well above normal for this time of year, but still dry until we head into the latter half of your weekend, your Easter Sunday, and early next week. Storms arriving late, so your outdoor activities still a go on Sunday. Locally strong storms possible overnight Sunday and early on Monday, but the threat for severe weather relatively low at this time. We will keep some chances for showers and storms through the middle of the next week, potentially through next Friday. Right now, not looking like complete washout days, just some hit or miss showers and storms. And again, strong to severe storms unlikely through the extended forecast. We are going to have more details coming up during our lifestyle show, Tennessee Valley Living, with our lovely Peyton Walker. We'd love to see you there. We're also going to have more news and weather coming up during our noon show with Gina Benitez. Chief Meteorologist Brad Travis will be in this evening to give you a better timeline of showers and storms returning over the weekend and throughout next week. For now, I'll let you enjoy your Thursday, your Friday Eve. As always, stay safe, and we'll see you back here this evening and the same time tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us.